Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make pasta carbonara. This is an easy, classic Italian dish that's ready in about 20 minutes. Authentic carbonara is made with guanciale, but today we're going to be using some diced pancetta, or you could use some diced thick-cut bacon. I have a large pot of water coming to a boil on the stove, but before we head over there, I want to put together our quick egg mixture. You'll need 2 whole eggs, so I'm going to go ahead and crack those here into a mixing bowl, a small mixing bowl. Then you'll also need 4 egg yolks, so I'll go ahead and separate out 4 yolks. And I just do the shell method and go back and forth. It's okay if a little bit of whites land in the bowl. Then you'll add in 1 cup of freshly grated or finely shredded pecorino romano cheese. Then grab a whisk and whisk this all together. All right, we'll save this for later and head on over to the stove. Season your boiling water with 1 tablespoon of salt. Then cook 1 pound of spaghetti pasta according to the package directions. Meanwhile, we'll get our diced pancetta or bacon cooking in a large skillet over medium heat. We want to let this cook until crisp, which will take about 7 to 10 minutes. If you use guanciale, it'll be a little bit fattier because it comes from pork jowls, whereas pancetta and bacon both come from pork belly, but all 3 will work. With pancetta, you're not going to have a ton of grease in the pan, but if you use bacon, you'll have more, and you want to drain off any excess grease, leaving approximately 2 tablespoons in the pan. There's a lot of flavor in that grease, so you want to just kind of eyeball it and leave as much grease as you are comfortable leaving. Just before the pasta is finished cooking, you'll want to reserve about 1.5 cups of that salty, starchy pasta water. The pasta is finished cooking, so I'll go ahead and drain it. Then we'll add our cooked pasta in with our pancetta. Give this a quick toss and get that pancetta mixed in with our pasta. The pasta will be coated in a little bit of that grease. Then first I add in about 1/2 cup of that reserved pasta water. Then I add in the egg and cheese mixture. Toss this to combine, and the residual heat from the pan and the pancetta and the pasta will cook those eggs, or you can cook it over low heat for 2 minutes. You can add a little more pasta water as necessary to achieve the kind of sauce that you want. If you want it a little bit thicker, you'll use less water. If you want it a little thinner, you'll use more. And I hit that with about 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and then we are ready to eat. I serve mine up hot, topped with a little bit more of that freshly grated pecorino romano cheese, and oh, it is so good. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.